Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's question is reverse string. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We solve a lot of interview questions on this channel and that can definitely help you with your interview. The question says write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as array of characters. Do not allocate extra space for another array. You must do this by modifying the input array in place. You may assume all characters consist of printable ASCII characters. And if you look at example number 1, we are given with hello, and in the output it should be reversed. And if you look at example number 2, we are given with Hannah, and if you reverse the Hannah, it will remain Hannah. So let's move on to pen and paper. Let's see how we can solve this question. After that we will see the code. I have taken an array of string and we need to reverse it. Let's name it ARR. We can do this with several ways. One is we can use inbuilt reverse, and we will call inbuilt reverse on ARR. I can simply say ARR.reverse, and it is going to give us the reverse format of ARR. And second way to solve this problem is we will take a empty array of same size. Let's say we took this array and we will start from the ending of the given array, and let's name it temp, and we will start filling our temp array from the beginning. First we will put D, then we will put L, then R, then O, then W, and in this way we will keep filling. At the end we will get our reverse format and we can simply return 10. But in this case the space complexity will be O of n because we are using extra space, and time will be equal to O of n. Now the question is there any way we can perform this in place so that our space complexity will be O of 1? And the answer is yes. For that we will use two pointer approach. So we will take two pointers, one starting from here and one from here. So the first pointer is pointing at index 0, length of given array minus 1. And let's say we name it left and let's name it right. So we have two pointers, left and right. Now we will take a while loop. While left is less than right, that means till the midpoint. So how it will work? I will take the value at the left pointer and I will take the value at the right pointer, and I will swap both of them, and I will keep swapping them till the time left index is less than the right index, and we are swapping the values of the index, not the index. So the value of the left index is t and the value of the right index is d. So we will swap t with d. So d will come here and d will come here. Now I will move my left pointer to the right by 1 and I will move my right pointer to the left by 1. So now my left pointer will come here and my right pointer will come here. Now I will swap L and H. So L will come here and H will come here. Now again I will move my left pointer to the right and right pointer to the left. So my left pointer is pointing at E and my right pointer is pointing at R. Again I will swap R and E. Now again my left pointer will come at C and my right pointer will come at O. Again I will swap O and C. Now my left pointer will come at O and my right pointer will come at W. And now I will swap both of them. Now my left pointer will come at D and my right pointer will come at G. Now I will swap G and D. Now my left pointer will come at I and my right pointer will come at N. Again I will swap N and I. And now we will stop here. Why? Because if I will move my right pointer to the left, after this point, or this condition will not satisfy. So we will stop here. And you can see we have reversed our given string. And we are not also using any extra space. So the time complexity for this solution will be of n time and of 1 space. Because we are doing it in place. And the time complexity is of n because we are swapping n by 2 characters and n by 2 is equal to n. So the time complexity is of n. So this is the way we can solve this question. Let's move on to the coding part and let's see what is the code for this problem. So let's look at the code. At line number 4, I've taken two variables, left and right. And the value of the left is 0 and the value of the right is length of given array s minus 1, which is last index. Then I'm taking a while loop. While left is less than right, I'm taking the value at the left index and I'm taking the value at the right index and I'm swapping it with the right and left. So I'm simply swapping the value at the left index with the value at the right index. And after swapping, I'm moving my left pointer to the right and I'm moving my right pointer to the left. So I'm simply doing left equal to left plus 1 and right equal to right minus 1. So this is the code for this problem. Let's see whether it works or not. So here I submitted my code and it got accepted. So this was the solution for this problem. You can find the code in the description below. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.